show you guys what it looks like. If I had the key, it would be great. Key. Show you what the sweeping indicators look like. There we go, we have it. So you've got the sweeping indicators and the lights actually on this vehicle. May as well switch these side lights on. I should have done this before. The lights on these vehicles are very different to the other Golfs. As you can see, it's pretty much got single pointed LEDs, which give it a really sporty look from the back. I mean, anytime I've had any friends driving, I'm driving behind them and I'm actually looking at the car, it does really stand out for me. That's pretty much what the exterior has to offer. It's obviously got your puddle lights and you've got some nice little silver racing style mirror covers. That obviously follows through. Got a nice little side emblem on the wing. Interior wise, as you guys can see, got a few of the features we'll go through. You've got the digital dash, you've got the great flat bottom steering wheel, really nice to feel, perforated leather. You've got the DSG box 4Motion, Discover Pro nav, and then you've got your Golf R half, I'd say suede half Arctic cloth. Now in terms of inside the vehicle, I'll show you guys what it packs. Switch the vehicle on, it's quite personalised. We'll put the radio down because you don't want to be listening to that. You obviously got your R logos and stuff following through. Interior looks very, very neat. It has got its ambient lighting. So you've got some blue strips going across there. Blue on the side step. And yeah, I think the blue works really well with the Golf R. Now guys, you're probably wondering why I've decided to sell the car. Okay, before I go ahead and tell you why I've sold the car, I'll tell you the 5 best things I love about this car. First, the digital dash. The digital dash sets the entire car off for me, because with the digital dash, everything's at the palm of your finger. You look straight ahead, you don't need to look left, you don't need to look right, you can literally look straight into the screen and you've got everything. You got your sat nav, your speedo, the full works. The second thing is the driver options, the fact that you can make your own individual mode, and at the same time you've obviously got race mode, which is excellent for, depending on how you're feeling, you can take the vehicle for a particular drive. Third of all, the interior, the cabin. They've really done a lot of work, VW, especially from where they've started with. They've got a lot of cabin space. It's really worked well with how they've made the interior pop, and it really suits the Golf R. Fourth would be exterior styling. It looks aggressive, stock. You don't really need to do anything to the car. It's amazing. And finally, but not last, the noise of the car. Now for a stock exhaust, it's got a bit of a fake speaker system. However, when you do go into race mode, it tends to burble, a few downshifts. With me, when I buy any formal car, the first thing I do is change the exhaust. With this car, I haven't had to change the exhaust immediately because it gives off some good sound. And then I'll probably add in the fact that launch control is next level. Launch control is one of the best features on this car. If you buy it and you don't launch it, you're missing out on life, mate, I'm telling you. Now guys, to activate launch control, what you do is you have your foot on the brake, traction control off, into race mode, and launch control program activated. And then as soon as you're ready to lift off, all you do is let your foot off the brake, hold the accelerator down, and then bang, you just fly off. So guys, I know it's sad news. I've decided to sell the Golf R. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video, as I will be explaining why I have got rid of the Golf R in terms of its replacement. So the replacement will be in the video, and you guys are gonna be shocked. I've actually gone for a 2-vehicle swap. I'll tell you why. One as a daily, one as a weekend toy, and you get more of an idea as to how crucial this change is. I mean, some people are gonna laugh at me. Guys, make sure you watch the next video, because the next video is going to show you this Golf R's replacement. Now, no one knows what it is. A few people may have some sort of idea. However, its replacement is a bit unusual. You're not gonna be expecting this. So make sure you tune in, hit the subscribe button, because we've got some car content coming soon. Now, apart from the 5 facts that I've given you, overall, the things I've loved about this car is its turns, heads, it's got its beautiful launch control, you can race anybody the hell you want to, it's got some amazing handling, and at the same time it's a reasonably priced car. So if you've got the money, I recommend the Golf R. So guys, here's a Golf R, its natural form. You've been good to me, mate. She's been good. It's sad to see her go. Oh, it's been such an enjoyable drive. Fresh from the showroom, 5,000 miles. Peace out, guys.